it only rains 30 to 60 inches a year. It's 58 degrees, and there's a lot of trees. I know what this is.
Say it out loud.
The deciduous forest.
When the phone booth turns white, that's when I'll come home.
I was reading this book, and it said the deciduous forest can be found in the eastern half of North America, and also there are many in Asia.
The latitude in this area ranges anywhere from 23 degrees north to 38 degrees south.
There are more to deciduous forests than just big hills, creeks, and mountains, and rivers and creeks and stuff, and trees.
Like what?
Like the animals like squirrels and foxes and wolves.
In most of North America, wolves are an endangered species. The red squirrels are primarily found in the deciduous forests, and like all squirrels are considered rodents.
You're half wolf. How do you survive?
Us animals adapt to the climate by hibernating in the winter and living off the land in the other 3 seasons. Also, the trees provide a shelter for us animals, and use trees for food and water sources. Most animals either live in the trees or are camouflaged to look like the ground.
So what is the plant life like?
Here in the deciduous forest, there's lots of different types of big trees, maple, elm, as well as small trees and shrubs. There are herbal plants that feature club mosses on the floor. 5 zones of plants, and they are adapted by shifting towards the sun to increase sunlight. A little bit vegetation on the ground, but there's a lot of big trees. Also, there's lots of very good fertile soil around here. Very good for agriculture. And it's the main reason why there's not a lot of original deciduous forests left.
Rapid changes from climate in the deciduous forests occur from cold and dry to wet and warm to any other corners of the climate. Over the course of the year, the climate will range from cold with precipitation in the form of snow to hot with precipitation in the form of rain.
So what kind of primary animal blood do you eat?
I drink deer blood, squirrel blood, insect blood, rodent blood. Usual things we find around.
What about secondary consumers?
Skunks and my opossums.
I was doing some research, and I read that the deciduous forests have long, warm growing seasons, and there's also abundant moisture.
Interesting.
And there's 4 distinct seasons.
That's cool.
The trees provide a lot of organic material. Many species also live in the soil and provide lots of nutrients and break down organic material.
Many trees begin to lose their leaves in the winter, such as the American maple, oak, and beech trees.
So this is an example of the deciduous forest?
Yes, it is. You want to go climb a tree?
Yes! Jacob, wait! What's wrong?
I have to save the forest.
Save it? What's wrong with it?
I have to save it from deforestation, forest fires, and drought.
Are those the limiting factors?
Yes, those are limiting factors that occur here in the deciduous forest. So it seems like there's not a lot of species around here. Is it because you're eating them in your selfish ways? No, you're incorrect. There's enough food and water and shelter here to have enough species here for a long time. Think, vampires have it great. Animals have to have pre-adaptations. They have to have fur for the winter months and be able to hibernate and store food during the winter months. Human activities that are affecting this biome is deforestation, because these trees house many animals that need it in order to survive, and they're being cut down, so they're left without homes. Another human activity that's affecting this biome is urbanization, because less and less forests are left and they're becoming into cities and more urbanized areas.
I was a quick wit
That didn't make any sense. Say, I was reading this book. Do it have bags? Say, look. Go. Jacob, run. You have to run. Jacob, run. No.
Animals adapt to the climate by hibernation.
Where's Pablo? Pablo, not that far. Run out. Run out.
Oh, okay, no, hold on.